Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to choose Settings and click on Bluetooth over here. Now click on this switcher to activate it and select Pair New Device. After that, you need to wait for the available ones to show up and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Nokia. Now wait for the pop-up and select Pair in it. After that, you need to wait for the other device, in my case Nokia, to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by selecting this gear icon next to the device and selecting Forget over here. Now confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!